We're getting a look at new video from a Tennessee Highway Patrol car that had a confrontation during this weekend's Ice Out for Good protest. Now, the demonstration has sparked questions about what people can legally do while exercising their rights. ABC 24's Shekinah Davis has what's protected and what's not.
Protesting is a constitutional right, but legal experts say that right does not extend to every action taken during a demonstration, especially when public safety is involved.
The First Amendment protects your right to protest and to speak out and seek redress through your government in a peaceful manner.
A nationwide Ice Out for Good protest in Memphis over the weekend is now at the center of a legal debate after several tense moments played out on camera. One video shows a Tennessee Highway Patrol trooper arresting a woman. Another shows a protest safety marshal falling in front of a trooper's vehicle. Protest organizers say demonstrators were trying to de-escalate and claim troopers interrupted their march. THP disputes that. The agency released its own video, and they say claims that a protester was hit are false. THP says video shows the person was in the road holding onto a trooper's vehicle, creating what they call a serious safety risk.
Come here!
Legal experts say while peaceful protest is protected, certain actions are not.
If there's acts of violence or threats of violence, and if there's anything where they have believed that they've lost control and they've told the protesters that they have to disperse and they don't, then there's a possibility that they would be subject to arrest.
Under Tennessee law, protesters cannot block roadways, have disorderly conduct, damage property, or disobey police commands. Violations can lead to misdemeanor or felony charges, and in some cases, long-term legal consequences.
We've got a real issue on these protests right now because a lot of the officers have been federalized, and all it takes to pick up a federal felony of threatening law enforcement is to yell at the wrong highway patrol officer. If he's been federalized and you threaten him, you are facing up to 10 years in federal prison.
Even with these legal risks, attorneys say people shouldn't be afraid to exercise their right to protest.
Memphis has a long-standing history of being able to protest peacefully with very little, if almost no, violence. The city of Memphis has always been very big on protesting. But we all live together at the end of the day, so we all try to find a way to live together.
Tennessee State Highway Patrol did send ABC 24 a statement saying, "We respect and protect the right of people to protest peacefully. That right, however, does not include entering active roadways or placing themselves in danger." And they also go on to say further in the statement that our priority is always public safety for protesters, motorists, and our troops. In Memphis, I'm Shekinah Davis, ABC 24 News.